Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, in this video, we'll be doing the 3 most annoying balloon sounds ever. So, number 1. Well, so we probably all know this one. So you take a balloon, this one will kind of start with that. Take a balloon. Take kind of the end sides, and then pull it out. And this should happen. Whatever. So I'm trying again. That's what should happen. Just gotta stretch it out, hold it there for a few seconds, and it should start. Second most annoying. So the only thing you need for this one, balloon and a nut. Make sure the nut looks exactly like this. I mean, it's about the same size. Just drop it into the balloon. Drop it in. Once it's in, start blowing. It's blown up to a normal size, and then do this. Now the biggest part. I should tie it off. But I know I take because I'm not. I'll show that at the end, guys. So, now for the third. Yeah, no. What's that? No, got it. Third most annoying sound. Take a look. Take a balloon, go like this. And that's pretty annoying if you blow it up really big. Otherwise, guys, that'll be all for this video. Make sure to subscribe, click that little bell, click that little checkbox, and hit save so you'll get sent notifications when you post new videos. So yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and click that little bell. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Okay. So now I'm just going to show you, I'm just going to tie it off. So I can like get the full effect of this. So I don't want to dry it off because I have to show you the other one. So, yeah. Oh, last one was really annoying, but kind of weird. I mean, I like shooting though. It's fun. I swear I keep hearing it. This is hard. Harder than I thought it would be. Wait. No. Yes. Got it. Boom. Ready? Wait, get a good go that way. Ha! So it does hurt because this balloon's an old balloon, so the nut kind of comes out. Like it's a hard nut on soft rubber. The nut kind of bounce, like it kind of sticks out when it's going around, and it just keeps hitting my hand. But that, guys, that'll be it for this video. But anyway, hope you enjoyed. So see you guys next video. Bye. Wait, is this over now? Yeah.